A quick unboxing and review of the Manfrotto Magic Arm 244 with a camera bracket 143 by Lightcolorshadow. This friction arm holds everything up to 3 kilograms, and this without a doubt because of the impressive measurements. Itself weighs 1.09 kilograms and has a maximum length of 53 centimeters. What was necessary for me is to connect this arm to my Manfrotto tripod, the 0.55 to the Easy Link socket. For this I bought also this reversible stud with a 3/8 screw on one side and a quarter screw on the other. When you mount it to the Easy Link socket, you will get a very well balanced tripod because the total weight is gathering in the center of the tripod. It is possible to mount a field recorder on the arm or even another camera. What you see here is the Nikon D850 with the 24-70, what means over 2 kilograms, and the arm is doing this well, but you have to be careful for the balance of the tripod if you extend the arm to the maximum. To show how big this piece of gear is, I show you my other friction arm. This one is from SmallRig and you can see the dimensions. The SmallRig arm can hold up to 1.5 kilograms but will become quite unstable at its limit, especially the part where it is fixed. As usual, this Manfrotto product is absolutely well made and I can recommend it to all who are looking for a very useful helper to extend your functions of your tripod. Thanks for watching. For more visit Lightcolorshadow.com and see you until next time. Bye bye.